Thinking of installing a MagikFlame electric fireplace in your home? One of the most common questions we get is, how high should I mount it? Let's break it down so your fireplace looks great and functions even better. Start with your eye level. The most comfortable viewing experience is when the center of the fireplace sits slightly below eye level when you're standing. That makes it easier to enjoy the flame effect and keeps your space looking balanced. Now, if you're installing a linear style fireplace, here's a key tip. Mount it at least 12 inches off the floor. This spacing ensures your fireplace feels grounded, but not too low, and allows proper airflow around the unit. Thinking about adding a mantle? Great idea. It adds character and style, but make sure to install it 12 to 18 inches above the top of the fireplace. Don't forget to take your room layout into account. Where's your seating area? Are you installing under a TV or next to furniture? Make sure the fireplace lines up with your lifestyle, whether you're lounging, entertaining, or passing through. Every home is different, but these simple guidelines will help you create a setup that's both stylish and functional. Need more tips on installation or design ideas? Like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more MagikFlame inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy installing!